Winter is a time for rest and reflection, aligned with the water element in Chinese medicine, inviting us to slow down and nourish our bodies. Today, I'm sharing 2 nourishing recipes: seeded crackers and roasted carrot hummus. The crackers are packed with nutrient-dense ingredients like sunflower, flax, hemp, chia, and pumpkin seeds, providing both soluble and insoluble fiber, helps support digestion and gut health. Paired with a vibrant roasted carrot hummus made from local seasonal root veggies at their peak freshness, these snacks are ideal for gatherings or simply treating yourself. First up, let's make our seeded crackers. Here's what you'll need: 1/2 cup ground flaxseed meal, 1/4 cup chia seeds, 1/4 cup raw hemp hearts, 1/3 cup raw sunflower seeds, 1/3 cup raw pumpkin seeds, 1/2 cup rolled oats, 2 tablespoons chopped fresh rosemary, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, and 1/2 teaspoon sea salt. To make the crackers, start by preheating your oven to 325 degrees, then combine all the dry ingredients in a large bowl. Flax seeds are a great source of omega-3 fatty acids and lignans, which have anti-inflammatory properties and support heart health. Sunflower seeds are rich in vitamin E, an antioxidant that supports skin health and immune function. Pumpkin seeds are high in zinc, essential for immune function, and also contain tryptophan, which can help improve sleep quality. Hemp seeds are a complete source of plant-based protein, offering a balance of essential amino acids to support muscle and tissue repair. Chia seeds are packed with soluble fiber, which helps slow digestion and support gut health. Lastly, rosemary is a powerful herb known for its ability to stimulate digestion, improve circulation, and support mental clarity. Next, pour 1 1/4 cups water over the mixture and stir to combine. Let the mixture soak for about 10 minutes to absorb the water and bind together. After 10 minutes, the seeds and oats should have soaked up much of the water to create a rough dough. Divide the dough in half, then roll or press it out thinly between 2 sheets of parchment paper. Spread the mixture into as thin and even layer as possible. Ensure there are no holes in the crackers. Remove the top layer of parchment and bake for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, remove the crackers to score them into squares. Continue to bake for 20 to 35 more minutes or until the crackers are lightly browned, firm, and dry to the touch. Allow to cool completely on the pan before separating into individual crackers. Now let's move on to the roasted carrot hummus. For this, you'll need 2 to 4 medium carrots, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 small garlic clove, 3 packed tablespoons chopped fresh parsley, 1 14-ounce can navy beans, 1/4 cup tahini, 2 tablespoons fresh lemon juice, 1/2 teaspoon cumin powder, and a pinch of fine sea salt, or more to taste. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which converts to vitamin A in the body and supports healthy vision, skin, and immune function. They also provide dietary fiber, which promotes healthy digestion. Locally grown carrots, especially those harvested after a good frost, have enhanced sweetness, making them an excellent choice for this dip. Parsley, on the other hand, is more than just a garnish. It's a nutrient powerhouse packed with vitamins C, K, and A. It supports bone health, boosts immunity, and acts as a natural diuretic, helping to flush out excess water and reduce bloating. To make the roasted carrot hummus, start by preheating your oven to 400 degrees, then chop your carrots. Next, toss them into a roasting pan with a drizzle of olive oil and roast for about 37 minutes or until they're fork tender and caramelized. Once the carrots are ready, set aside a few for garnish before adding them to the food processor, along with the parsley, garlic, navy beans, olive oil, tahini, salt, and lemon juice. Blend until everything is silky smooth, adding some water as needed. Taste and adjust with more salt, lemon, or olive oil if needed. Serve garnished with the remaining roasted carrots and flaky sea salt, paired with hearty seeded crackers for a vibrant appetizer that's bound to delight.